In the modern UX, there are several new accelerators for basic editing, which are more intuitive and consistent with other modern tools including Designer. First is the new right-click pop-up menu. If I right-click on a via, it'll bring up the context-sensitive commands and options. Closest to my cursor is a new pop-up dialog where I can change the pad stack settings. I'll try modifying the via by changing the pad stack, layer span, or net. You can also use this menu to quickly modify many objects at a time, for example, multiple vias at once. This pop-up menu is available on many types of objects. I'll quickly modify, for example, the precise location of this component, or the font of this piece of text. If I hover over any of the dialog options, it'll also remind me what each option does. For example, if I want to change the layer of this conductive shape. This enhancement allows us to quickly modify a variety of elements without opening the full properties menu. Next is the new rotation handle. In place mode, I'll select a component. A new addition to layout is the built-in rotate handle on certain elements, similar to functionality that you see today in Designer. I can use the handle to rotate the component 90 or 180 degrees. Holding Shift before rotating lets me rotate in increments of 45 degrees, and holding Control, it rotates in increments of 1 degree. Notice also the visual indicator that tells you the angle of your rotation. This gives the user intuitive and granular control over the rotation for components as well as several other object types. Another new consistency with Designer is in situ text editing. This simply means that text can be edited directly and dynamically instead of depending upon a properties field. I'll click this selected sample of text to modify it directly. You can also select and manipulate text segments just like you would in other modern text editing tools. There's also support for keyboard navigation, such as stepping through the text using arrow keys or holding Shift with the arrow keys to select multiple characters. If I double-click, it'll bring up the full text dialog for more advanced edits.